D60 Shashtiamsha chart, a gateway to the subtle soul patterns. In Vedic astrology, the D60 or Shashtiamsha chart is one of the most profound and refined divisional charts, offering insights into the soul's deepest karmic imprints. It is considered a microcosmic reflection of the birth chart, D1, providing access to the most subtle layers of destiny and character. While many charts reveal the more visible layers of a person's life, career, marriage, wealth, the D60 reveals the hidden seeds that silently govern the unfolding of a person's fortune, trials, talents, and spiritual lessons across lifetimes. The word Shashtiamsha literally means 60th division, because the D60 divides each sign of the zodiac into 60 equal parts of half a degree, 0.5 degrees each. Every planet's exact placement at birth is mapped into these micro-divisions, which are then assigned a specific D60 deity or archetypal energy. These deities represent refined karmic conditions, subtle themes of the soul, that are not visible in the ordinary birth chart, but significantly influence the individual's deepest emotional and spiritual patterns. Calculating the D60 requires an extremely precise birth time. Even a difference of 1 to 2 minutes can shift the entire D60 layout, which makes its study meaningful only when the natal chart is rectified to near-perfect accuracy. Once calculated correctly, the D60 becomes the hidden key to understanding why certain blessings, challenges, or tendencies appear in a person's life, seemingly inexplicably. It shows the quality of past life karma that is now active behind the visible events of the present life. What the D60 provides the student of astrology is a deeper narrative. While the Rashi chart, D1, shows what happens, and the Navamsha, D9, shows how strength unfolds over time, the D60 shows why it happens at a soul level. It reveals which karmic patterns are being exhausted, where purification is needed, and what spiritual lessons are available through the experiences life brings. It adds depth and meaning to otherwise confusing or paradoxical patterns seen in the surface charts. Each D60 division is ruled by a specific deity or cosmic force, such as Gora, terrible confrontation, Deva, divine nobility, Rakshasa, rebellious disruption, Yaksha, guardianship, and many others. These deities represent archetypal life themes. By understanding which deity governs a planet in the D60, students learn about the invisible forces shaping the emotional, psychological, and spiritual evolution of the native. The themes revealed by each deity offer nuanced, symbolic insights into the soul's journey. The D60 also acts as a hidden guide to understanding seemingly inexplicable strengths or weaknesses in an individual. Someone born under Deva energies may exhibit innate nobility even in adversity, while another influenced by Brahshta energies may repeatedly confront ethical dilemmas. By interpreting the D60 properly, students can understand how past karmic momentum is propelling present life experiences, providing clues for healing, resolution, and conscious evolution. From a predictive standpoint, the D60 also refines judgment. It indicates where external events may seem fated beyond conscious control and where deeper spiritual alignment is needed to harmonize destiny. The D60 does not change material predictions drastically, but clarifies why they manifest with the tone, intensity, and emotional resonance that they do. It helps astrologers advise clients not just on external actions, but on internal growth paths tailored to the soul's needs. Ultimately, the D60 Shashtiamsha chart offers the serious student of Vedic astrology a rare glimpse into the hidden architecture of life. It demands precision, patience, and humility to interpret properly. But for those willing to engage its depths, it unlocks profound wisdom, revealing not just what the soul must face in this lifetime, but what it is truly striving to become beyond the surface of worldly events.